Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today we show you how to collect our targeted company's decision makers information using BuiltWith and Apollo. If you watch this video up to end, you will understand everything clearly. Or if you want me to help you with providing your targeted company's decision makers or technology company users decision makers or e-commerce stores decision makers information, I can help you with that. If you want my services, you can directly approach me. I mentioned my contact details in the video description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. Not only targeted companies, decision makers information, if you are looking for any kind of B2B data and web scraping services, I can help you. Suppose, for example, LinkedIn data scraping. If you have any targeted search results on LinkedIn, I will scrap all the results 10K, 20K, 50K. Then I will try to provide you possible verified email IDs and possible direct sales information. Or cold calling list. If you are looking for any direct decision makers cold calling list, I can help you with that. Or if you are looking for Instagram scrapping, if you have any competitor profile or relevant profile, we can have a chance to scrap their followers, publicly mentioned email IDs and contact information. If you are looking for some USA based homeowners direct sales information, I can also help you with that. Or like custom web scraping services like Yellow Pages, L Pages, Clutch, G2. So these type of websites also we can have a chance to scrap. Anything related to B2B data and web scraping services, I can help you with that. Suppose, for example, recently funded companies decision makers, like last week, last month funded companies decision makers also we can collect. Anything related to B2B data and web scraping services, like you can directly contact me. Here, as I said, I mentioned my contact details in the description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. Now let us jump into the BuiltWith. So here already I have subscribed to the BuiltWith subscription. So once we have subscription, we can have a chance to access all the BuiltWith data actually. Suppose, for example, if you can see here, go to the tools. Here we can see keyword list, e-commerce list, and technology trends list, and top websites and different data. Now we need targeted companies list. Now we're going to the keyword websites list. Then if you can see here, we have some industries like fashion websites, real estate websites, fitness, cosmetics, jewelry, crypto, all the companies, right? But we need here specific companies. So for example, I need some SaaS companies, okay? So here I'm just clicking SaaS, then I'm clicking keyword lookup. So now we can see here, we have a 50K plus SaaS websites in this report actually. So if you want, we can collect all this report, 50K report. So we can scroll down a little bit, we can simply download actually. Or if you want particular companies like SaaS websites in United States, we can also download like this. Suppose, for example, I'm clicking this one. Now we can see here, we can simply click here. So now if you can see all SaaS websites in the United States, now we have 6,000 plus websites actually. We can simply click export. So now we can see here, we can download the report. So we can simply download the report. Once we download the report, then we can have a chance to see data like this. Like you can see domain names, like all the which technology they are using, which CMS platform they are using, company phone number, company email ID, company social media URLs, and location. So which hosting platform they are using. We have all other information. CMS platform, how much money they are generating, etc. So now we have here targeted companies information. Now we need this company's possible decision makers information. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this company's information. So here company's domains. Once I copy this company domains, now I'm going to use this tool called apollo.io. So now if you can see here, I have already filtered my targeted ones. Like here job titles, I mentioned CEO, founder, co-founder, owner. Location here already I selected USA because make sure I need profiles only from USA. Email status I mentioned verified and likely to engage. Now here we have our targeted companies information, right? But now we need particularly these domains decision makers information. So for that what we need to do is whatever the domains I copied, we need to paste it here. If you can see here company, so if you can click here, so we have a chance to see filters like this, include and exclude list of companies. So I'm clicking this one. Here if you can see include the list, I'm pasting all these domains here. Once I paste here these domains, I'm clicking search and save and search. So once I click save and search, automatically here if you can see results will change in few seconds. Now here almost like now 1.1K. So these 1.1K are targeted ones actually, especially from these domains. So now we can simply collect here if you can see CEO, founder, co-founder and all. So now we can have a chance to simply select all. So we can apply. So once we apply in a few seconds, automatically all the data will select. So once data selected, we can have a chance to export this list. So I'm clicking export. So once I click export here, you can see export records. you can simply click the export record. Once we click the export record, we can have a chance to see file like this. So now you can see here the first name, last name, job title. Job title you can see CEO, founder, co-founder, all the main key profiles only. Then here we have company name, we have direct email ID, decision maker email ID. So we have seniority level. Here we have company phone number, number of employees, and company industry, person direct LinkedIn URL. So we have websites, company social media URLs, location. So SEO description, which technologies they are using, annual revenue. So we have all this information. So now we can utilize this information for cold email marketing, or we can also use this information for LinkedIn outreach. So these are our targeted profiles, right? So hopefully you'll understand the process. So now simply we have used BuiltWith to collect our targeted domains. Then we have used Apollo to collect our targeted decision makers information. So now if you need any kind of help related to BuiltWith or Apollo, so if you want like 10K, 100K, 500K data also, I can provide you Apollo data for a reasonable price. Like as I said, if you need my services, you can directly contact me. I mentioned my contact details in the description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. Like whatever the data you need, if you need recently funded companies information or LinkedIn data scraping services or Instagram scraping services or like local business data, Google Maps data scraping services or like any directory data scraping services or like cold calling list, Instagram scraping, influencers list, e-commerce list, local business like Yellow Pages data scraping, CEOs list, targeted USA-based homeowners direct phone numbers list. I can help you with that. And like as I said again, you can approach me directly through my WhatsApp. And thank you very much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.